Good morning, Birds class. How are you today? You know that every Thursday we are talking a little bit about grammar. And today's lesson, we talked about it last week and also we mentioned it in the math. We are going to talk about prepositions. But today we will talk a little bit in depth about prepositional phrases. So let's start together. Prepositions are connecting words that act like bridges. Do you remember before when I told you that we can connect the two parts like a bridge? This is what we are saying now again. So they are words and they are acting like bridges. As you can see in this picture, the bridge is connecting the left side to the right side. And in a similar way, prepositions are connecting words. Let's have a look at the sentence. Khalid is sitting on the chair. We can say that the sentence has a naming part and a telling part. And the naming part is the part that tells you who or what the sentence is about. And the telling part tells you what happens. So in this sentence, Khalid is the naming part because it answers the question who. And setting is the telling part because it answers the question what happens. Since we know that prepositions connect the noun to the rest of the sentence, we want to know what's the prepositional phrase. It's the part that usually answers where or when. Before we practice this on some sentences, I'm just going to remind you with some of the prepositions. In, out, on, off, by, and with, and you know lots more. Let's see the sentence. We went swimming with Sarah. So the word with is the bridge, and it connects the first part with the second part. Now together we're going to find the prepositional phrase in these sentences. Khalid is sitting on the chair. We said the prepositional phrase answers the question when or where. So where is Khalid sitting? On the chair. Good job, Birds class. Another sentence. The boy rides in the truck. The naming part is the boy because he's who. The telling part is the word rides. And what do you think? What is the prepositional phrase? In the truck. Good job, because it has the word in. Thank you so much, Birds class. And one more example. The book is on the table. What do you think? Where is the prepositional phrase? Think, Birds. On the table. Well done. Thank you so much. And here's the last sentence. The pencil is next to the table. Okay, and the prepositional phrase is... Think, Birds class. Next to the paper. Good job. Now, let's do it in another way. I want you to put these words in correct order and tell me what is the prepositional phrase. Ahmed, room, his, in, place. Now think. How are we going to make the sentence? Ahmed plays in his room. Very good. And the prepositional phrase is... in his room. Well done, Birds class. Another sentence. We have the words car, girl, the, by, goes. Think. How are we going to put these words in order? Are you ready? The girl goes by car. And the prepositional phrase is by car. Good job, Birds class. Okay, once you're done, I want you to go and check the song of the prepositions and ask your mommy to show it to you.
When a bird flies through the air, the word through is